With a recent National Congress of the Chinese Communist Party granting President Xi Jinping a third term, Uyghur activists see little change in Beijing's policies against this predominantly Muslim minority group in Xinjiang province. Rushan Abbas is a Uyghur American and founder of the advocacy group Campaign for Uyghurs.
China is waging a war against the women and the children. The Uyghur Muslims are facing forced sterilizations, forced abortions, and forcibly inserting IUD devices inside of their bodies.
In early October, a U.S.-backed draft resolution to advance discussion of the plight of Uyghurs at the UN Human Rights Council was defeated. Of 47 members, only 17 supported the motion. 11 abstained and 19 voted no, including Muslim-majority countries like Indonesia and the United Arab Emirates.
So I am saddened to see some of the countries, including Indonesia, that voted against the further discussion on what's happening to their fellow Muslim brothers and sisters as the Uyghurs and the other Turkic Muslims.
Indonesia echoed the Chinese view that the motion, supported widely by the U.S. and other Western nations, was an attempt to interfere in China's internal affairs.
We believe the approach taken by the Council today will not yield meaningful progress, especially because it does not enjoy the consent and support of the concerned countries.
China has long denied committing human rights violations against Uyghurs, but a late August report from the UN Rights Council found evidence of human rights violations against Uyghurs that could constitute crimes against humanity. To dispute these allegations, China has also often invited Indonesian journalists and Muslim leaders for rigidly guided state tours of Xinjiang province. But the Indonesian government's position has been questioned by some in the country's parliament, including Sukamta, who, like many Indonesians, goes only by one name, of the House Commission that oversees foreign policy.
If there is evidence, then we hope the Indonesian government would follow through. We have to ensure that there aren't any human rights violations there.
At least one UN diplomat said members of the Human Rights Council came under what they called enormous pressure from China before the vote. For Yuni Salim, Nova Poerwadi, VOA News, Washington.